Right, here we go with another one then, back in the amazing Snowdonia. The second highest peak in Wales we're on. Carnedd Llewelyn, 3,491 feet. And it's the highest mountain in the Carnedd range. And old Lloydie boys along as well today.
Yep, here for the journey.
So let's do it. So we're on Carnedd Llewelyn, also known as Carnedd Llewelyn, and the parent peak of this is actually Snowdon. Time check, 1200 feet of elevation gain, coming up to 1.5 hours, believe it or not. So yeah, it's a real isolated peak, to be honest, this one, like rugged wilderness. Might sound a bit over the top, but that's what it's classed as, Carnedd Llewelyn. We haven't seen anyone yet, apart from one girl at the start. Seen no one up this mountain yet. So yeah, really isolated, this one, so you need to be careful. So it looks quite jagged, this bit here now. Not sure I can use a drone today. Wind's really picking up now. Oh, so we got a bit of a scramble here now. Bit of a grade 1 scramble coming up. Take your time, ledges, edges and wedges. 3 points of contact. Picking up a bit. We got through the scramble, just heading up to the summit now. There's still quite a trek up to the summit. And this is known as a Marilyn, a Nuttall and a Hewitt, and it's one of the Welsh 3000s as well. It's a tough old trek. Anyway, that's gorse the top of this stage. Well, 40 mile an hour winds, I think. There's Snowdon there in the distance. Right, lunchtime, that is a real wind block. That in this cairn here. Right, I'm going to get descending. 35 mile per hour winds up there, maybe 40 mile per hour winds. So let's get descending. Nice little scramble that was.
What's it need, yeah? There's lots of good winds.
It's a real ascent. Real tough old trek. Just descending now still. And this mountain was named after Llewelyn the Great, a prince from the 13th century in Wales. That's from all the 19th century slate quarries of Snowdonia. Yeah, not been able to say that much towards the end because of the wind, terrible, but can't miss the old geology facts of the day. Ordovician rock formed from volcanoes around 450 million years ago, and it's part of the Llewelyn volcanic group, and that's like a sub part of the Snowdon volcanic group. So there's the incredible Tryfan there. Let's do a time check. 8 miles we're on. So yeah, what a trek that was. Yeah, so right in the far distance, that was a scrambly bit. And there's the summit, it's there. Well, tough old trek that one. Right, final time check, nearly 8.5 miles, nearly 2,000 calories burnt, over 3,000 feet of elevation gain. Right, that's it then guys, wraps up with another one. That was Carnedd Llewelyn. So thanks a lot to Dan for coming along as well. You've done brilliant today with the scrambling. So peace, see you on the next one. It's sheepish, ain't they, man?